dirt road. We're going to a campground here in Palacios, Texas. Trying to see if that's a good campground. It's about 1 hour 45 minutes from Magnolia Beach, Texas. That's a reference point. But there's 8 miles of this unpaved road, and we're almost there, which is 8.2 miles now. So I don't know, this will be my first time to come here, and we'll check it out and see if this is a good campground here in south of Texas. Okay, we will update you once I get there if I see anything interesting. Oh, this is a wooden bridge. Interesting. Hopefully it's still standing there. It must have been standing there for a long time. So it's not gonna be like a bad bridge. So I want to stop here. Okay, see ya. We are almost there, only half a mile away. And it looks like this is a sea, maybe part of the Vaca Bay. And looks like there's some campers or fishers there on the other side. There's a beach. There's the beach. I don't know if that's the campground. Wow, so remote. Probably the one more mile to reach the destination on the right. Good place to go if you want a remote place. And I think this is the campground. It's not the left, maybe that's just the GPS signal. So the campground is here on the right. We'll see. So this is the campground. There's a food truck. So this is the end of the road, I guess. So I don't know. Looks like a fishing area. There's really nothing here. There's a big hole. There's a guy fishing or a girl, I'm not sure. And there's like something here you could maybe back in and park. But we'll see. There's another truck. And there's maybe this is where you need to park. I'm not sure. But it must be the park here in Palacios. Basically there's nothing here. There's a beach. Maybe you can park here. I don't know, to be near people. So this is probably the end of the camp. Let me back up so I can have a level park. Okay, we're here. This is like a remote place, and looks like a good place to go if you want remote camping. Try camping. Nothing is here. Takes 8 miles of dirt road to get here, and there's no facilities. You can see only the water. Maybe we'll check out the water and see, but you're camped right next to the water. Okay, so that's the bridge I came over across to get to here. So this is like almost an island. Probably it's an island, and you can people probably like fish here. And they have this form of seawall, so it doesn't erode away. And we got seawater here, although it's coral. You can see a lot of seashells. Built it with that wall. So what do you think, guys? It's see again, it's windy. It's so windy here. It will also be a good place to if you have like boat, like kayak, inflatable kayak, probably like here. And these boats have this plastic thing. It's like a holder for your fishing rods if the water comes up here, or even if not, you can just cast it all the way out. And the good thing about this campground is, look, see the water. There's a lot of fish. There's very strong Wi-Fi, very strong T-Mobile signal, which is the important. And there's a lot of fish here. I saw something jump out of the water. See? Did you see that one? Fish just jumped. The good thing of fishing here is there's a lot of fish. See, did you see that? Fish just jumping in the water. It's so quiet here. Only 2 trucks and me. It's like an island. So if you're into dry camping, dispersed camping, this is perfect. I don't know how safe it is here, but nobody's gonna bother you if you're just camping by yourself. Just have the safety precautions and everything will be fine. There's some trash because people probably left it, but it is a good place to camp. Drive around the park and then go. We need to go back to Katy, pick up some, print out some what do you call that one? Oh man, forms for tax, and this is just like a tour of this nothing else here. It's like the end of the line. That's the end. You probably can have fun there. And there's no more. You can camp here next to the water. We call it a lake, but it's not really a lake. I think it's part of the sea on that side. Maybe the lake is on the left side. But it's time to go. Hopefully they catch any fish. So that's the quick tour of the Oyster Lake Park. I think that's what it's called. Hopefully I didn't make a mistake naming this park, but as I remember, that's it. And I'm going back, and it looks like it's a little island that they developed or preserve. You can camp here, and there's several spots to camp, and it's not as smooth as you want.
Oyster Lake Road.
So this is Oyster Lake Road. We're already here at Oyster Lake, but there's still a road there that it will be closed off. So I don't know if that's private. Let's see. Yeah, maybe that's private road. And this side, it looks like probably that's the lake side, and it's dried. You can see. Let me go closer so you can see clearly that either it's marshland or lake, and it's already dried. You can see the mud. You can actually see the mud from here. It looks like maybe that was the lake before. Maybe that's what it's called, and it's dried. You can just see mud. You can see cake. It's already starting to cake off because it's dried. So maybe that side is the lake, and the other side is the sea. Okay, and then we're gonna go up. Go up to the bridge. So people come here to fish, because I think there's a lot of fish here if you want to fish. And we're gonna drive again to another 8 miles to go to the highway or road. So that side, left side, you can see the guy with a cast net. You can use that to cast to get some bait fish, and so the water would go under the bridge into this side. I don't know if that's also the sea, but if you do a cast here, you could probably catch a little bit, some small fish. So this is the bridge. And I think it's a good place to camp. So quiet, but there's some locals here or fishing. Okay, goodbye again. There's another 8.8 miles of dirt road. Okay, additional thing I want to say as I will drive in this dirt road is that I think this road will become muddy when it rains. So, but now it's like you can hear all the stones hitting the underside of the car, even the side of the car. But also as a reminder, because that campground we just toured, there's no facilities there. So always when you pack it in, you need to pack it out. So you bring anything here, your trash, you bring it all out and dump it someplace. For me, I usually dump it when I go to the gas station, when I fill up my gas tank, then I will dump my trash there. So just a reminder, don't leave your trash So it's a leave no trace policy, especially for us campers, long-term campers. Even if you're weekend warriors, weekend campers, or just part-time camper, or you just go there to camp, or even as a picnic, please don't trash the place. Pick up after yourselves. That's all I can say, because I get at some point sometimes I get tired of picking up other people's trash. So if we don't keep the place clean, there's a chance that they will close it down. So like for any campgrounds, even the paid one, these ones are free ones. I only camp at free campgrounds.